Hello, hello, male, hello, male. Hi, hi, hey, hey. Hi there, male, male. Bye, bye. Teni kamal, wir kamal, dosni kamal. Bye, teni kamal, wir kamal, dosni kamal. You can use any of this. Bye bye, bye bye. Teni kamal, wir kamal, dosni kamal. Bye bye, teni kamal, wir kamal, dosni kamal. See you later. See ya later. Like see ya later. It's just like see you later. See ya later. Banjik iyo. Banjik iyo. Bineni yo. Bineni yo. Take care. Take care. Tirodu. Tidrodu. Shum. Rodu. Shum rodu. Have a good one. Have a good one. Teni kamal, or you can say doni kamal. Have a good one, teni kamal or dotni kamal. Have a good one, teni kamal or dosni kamal. Hello, male. Hi, hi. Hey, hey. Hi there, male. Bye. Teni kamal, wir kamal, doni kamal. Bye bye. Teni kamal, wir kamal, doni kamal. See ya later. Banjigi yo, bineni yo. Take care. Tirodu, shumrodu. Have a good one. Teni kamal, dosni kamal. Well, in this lesson, we are learning way to say hello and goodbye in different way. These are way to say them in English and how to say them in Nuer. So you need to take your time to learn this. These are very simple. I will repeat it again so that you can catch up. Hello. This one is hello. Male. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey. Hi there. Hi there. Or you can just say it. Male. Bye. Then here you can say Teni kamal, wir kamal, doni kamal. Bye bye. Teni kamal, wir kamal, doni kamal. See ya later. Banjigi yo, bineni yo. Take care. Tirodu, shumrodu. Have a good one. Teni kamal, doni kamal. These are for beginner phrases, way to say hello and goodbye. Please follow for more and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.